journey has a midpoint, a moment of transition, where the path ahead is both familiar and unknown. It's in this space of change that we find our true strength. As we navigate this midway point, we are challenged to reflect on how far we've come and envision where we aim to go. Embracing change becomes our compass. In the midst of uncertainty, we discover resilience within ourselves, a resilience that propels us forward despite the obstacles that may arise on the horizon. Each step taken in this transitional phase is a testament to our courage and willingness to evolve, to adapt, and to embrace the transformative power of change. The journey through the midway is not just about reaching a destination, but about experiencing the growth and self-discovery that come from embracing the process. As we face the crossroads of change, we realize that the choices we make in this pivotal moment shape not only our future, but also our inner landscape. The midway point is a canvas where we paint our aspirations, fears, and dreams, creating a tapestry of experiences that define our journey's essence. Amidst the ebb and flow of change, we find a rhythm within ourselves, a rhythm that harmonizes with the cadence of transformation and personal growth. The midway is a threshold where we shed old skins, release limiting beliefs, and emerge renewed, ready to embrace the unfolding chapters of our lives. In the heart of transition, we find the courage to let go of what no longer serves us, and the wisdom to welcome new beginnings with open arms and open hearts. The midway journey is a dance between holding on and letting go, a delicate balance that teaches us the art of acceptance and the beauty of surrender. As we traverse the landscape of change, we realize that the only constant is our inner resilience, our capacity to rise stronger after every fall. The midway point is not a pause in the journey, but a transformative pause, a moment to recalibrate our intentions and realign our purpose with our evolving selves. In the silence of transition, we hear the whispers of our inner voice, guiding us towards the path that resonates with our deepest desires and highest aspirations. The midway journey is a symphony of change, with each note played by our choices, each melody crafted by our actions, shaping the narrative of our lives. As we stand at the threshold of transformation, we realize that the journey through the midway is not just a passage, but a profound metamorphosis of the soul. Embrace the beauty of the midway journey, for within its depths lie the seeds of renewal, the blossoms of growth, and the infinite possibilities of the human spirit. May this journey through the midway be a testament to your resilience, a celebration of your courage, and a reminder of the boundless potential that resides within you.